How to report any account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To report Instagram account, open Instagram. Now on the bottom left hand side of your screen, you can see this search icon. Click on that and then search for the account that you want to report. So simply click on the search box located on top of your screen and then type the account name that you want to report. So click on the account that you want to report. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you can see this three dot. So simply click on that and then click on report. Now select whether you want to report a post or entire account. If you want to report post, select on a specific post and then select the post that you want to report and select the reason why you want to report this post, or else simply go back and then click on something about this account. Now you will see page, so select any appropriate reason. Here I will be clicking something else. Again you will see this page, so simply select any appropriate reason to report this account. This is how you report an account on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.